Okay, so in the last classes, we had a discussion about the configuration of all the enterprise structure. Okay, and we have created the GL accounts. So now we will see the document posting, how the GL postings will be done. Okay, so we have different ways to post the GL entries. So GL entry we will use to post the company expenses. Okay, so here I have taken an example: electricity expenses debit, outstanding expenses credit. See, this provision we will have to post it. So see, GL account is used to post the expenses of an organization, and we used to post it as a provision. Okay. Now let's see here. See, we have two T codes. One is FB50, another one is FB01 to post the document. This is only for GL posting FB50. Okay, so let's see. First I will show you this FB01 how to post in this. So let's go to SAP and I'll go to FB01. Okay, now you can see here. So this is my header data. So this we'll call it as a header data, and this is item data. Okay, this is line item. So basically whenever you are posting GL entry, it will be dual entry. Okay, it will be dual entry. So one is credit, another one is debit. Okay, so like this we will have to post the document. So now I think you all know these basics. So I'll copy this, paste the document date, and here. So as we have discussed it, in the previous session, we have different document types. Do you remember we have created document types? Do you remember these document types and number ranges we have created?
Yes, sir.
So see, SA is for general ledger document type, GL document type. I'll go back to this. Here is the SA. See, SA is the document type. Now what is my company code? TLIN. Okay. Then press enter. The moment you press enter, currency rate is INR. Enter. Now you can see here it is asking you to select the posting key. So as per this, see, electricity expenses is debit. So this is header details I have maintained. So here it debit. See, basically debit I have told you in the posting key. Do you remember? So the 40 is for GL accounting, 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit. Now here I will go to 40. This is a debit. See here debit entry. Now here we'll have to enter our GL account. So what is the GL account? See, you can see here in the document posting, electricity expenses GL account should be debit. So if you click on this icon and you will find all the list. So you enter your chart of account, press enter. Now you can see you will get all the GL accounts which you have created. So I am posting electricity expenses. See here we have electricity expenses. Double click on this, press enter. Again, see what amount. See this item. See in the line item I have selected posting key as well as the GL account. But what amount I am posting for electricity expenses? Let's say I have electricity expenses of 1000. Okay, or 10,000. Then so these are all the optional fields which you will have to maintain it in the real time. As of now I'm not going to maintain. So what you can do is you can go to text. One second. Yeah, then so text I will make it as test posting, or you can make it as electricity expense. So this is first entry. Second entry should be credit, right? See here, credit 1000. So I'll go here. See, 50 is the credit for GL account. And what is, so from where it has to credit? Outstanding expenses. Do you remember we have created outstanding expenses GL account? So I am posting this provision to outstanding expenses. So now click on this. What is my outstanding expenses? GL. See, this is my outstanding expenses. Press enter. Now see here again, for this credit how much it has to credit. See, credit and debit should be equal. Okay, what amount we have entered over there. So if you don't know, just press hashtag button, star button, and in the text also you can just type plus button, so it will take automatically from the previous line item. See, 10,000 and electricity expenses I have entered. Still I have not posted this document. If you want to post this document, so go to document, and here first we will have to simulate it, whether the entry is correct or not. Click on simulate. Now you can see it is perfect. See, it is perfect. Let's say if you want to edit the amount, double click on any of the line item. See, you cannot edit the amount once you enter it. Just go back. See, you can verify. Okay, if you want to change the description or any other data, you can change it. Now I will post this. The moment you post, see, it will create document number. See, this is for SA document. See, document number I have created. Do you remember? I will open the new screen and I will repeat once again that we went to A7. OB-A7. So here position SA document, position SA document, and here we have SA document. Double click on this. See, 01. If you go to number range info, enter your company code, intervals. See, for SA document, see, 1000. See, status what you are getting, it is created. See, as of now I have created na 10,000. This is the number 10000. So this is how the configuration you will have to test it. So whatever now I am doing this document posting, this is the end user part. So this will be done by the end user. Okay, so far whatever the configurations we have done na, so based on that configuration I am testing it. Okay, now if you want to check, see, we have FB03 T code. If you want to display the document, so go to FB03, enter your document number, then press enter. See what you are getting. So this is the entry we have posted na. Say electricity expenses debit, outstanding expenses credit to this GL accounts. Still, if you want to check more details, header details, you can go to header and you will get all the header details. Okay, if you want to see the general ledger view, click on the general ledger view, you will get this 0L. Do you remember non-leading ledger I have created? If you click on other ledger, see, basically we will be having different ledgers, so these are all not required. 0L is very important. Okay, fine. So this is how you can post, and we have one more T code called FBL3N. Remember, these are all the T codes, very important. So while I will take mock na, I will ask you all these T codes. Please make a note. So I will go to FBL3N. See, this is outstanding expenses. See, this provision I have entered. If you go to FBL3N, observe. If you go to FBL3N, if you enter your 300001, this is outstanding expenses GL. Okay, click on this open item, and if you execute it, so we have a credit. See here, this is for outstanding expenses. See, this display we are getting in a different manner. You can change this. So 1 second. See, it will display the balances. Okay, so this is my open item, and now see, I will check this. I just wanted to check one more. FS00. If you go to outstanding expenses, display, yeah. Now again I will check FBL3N, and here You okay? See here, this is my outstanding expenses. See, you can see here. See, we have different options here. You can check, you can play along with this. Okay, select. See here. So what it is showing? It is open. This is called open item. Okay. So I will change one more. I will make this as default. And select this. No, wait. Yeah. See, this you can make it. So this template you can use it. See, go to change layout. So this template you are getting na one SAP hyphen. So if you want to make it default, see here you have save layout. So this one, okay, save this. Okay, 1 second. Go to change layout. Okay, now if you go back once again, you enter. See, we are not getting default template na. So what you can do is 1 second. So here we'll have to use this FC. See this should be the layout. And why the layout is not applying? Select the layout and change the layout. Copy. Give OK. Now we'll see. Go back and execute the default layout. It has to come. Okay, once again. So default, it is selecting this. I need this. How? Yeah, layout. We'll select here current. Now we'll check, execute. 1 second. Let me note down this. One more method is there. So this is my layout. So one SAP -FC. So what you can do, go to details. I will copy this, give Control Y and copy this layout. Control Y, copy this layout, cancel, and okay, go back. So here we have layout option, enter. I will make this as default, give OK. So now you are getting okay. So you can maintain this. Okay. I will check once again. I will go to FBL3 and once again. See, standard layout should be there and execute. So you can make this. See, I have posted the document and you can see the document number. See, this FBL3N is the T code to check the open items. Okay, to check the line items with whichever is open, whichever is outstanding balances, whichever is cleared. So it will be helpful for you for the reporting purpose. Okay, so if you want to still see the details, double click on the document number and you can see here, and you can go to this column document overview and you can see the document which you have posted. Okay, so this is how you can post the document using FB01 and how you can check the report. Okay, so see, FBL3N is to generate a line item report of GL account. In the interview they'll ask as a fresher. Okay, so and this is another T code which can be used alternatively with the FBL3N. Okay, now we have posted using FB01. So basically in the real time we use FB50 T code. Okay, it is similar to this only, but it will be fast. But in FB01, we have one more option called fast data entry. Let's say here I have only two. Okay, two entry. Let's say if you have electricity expenses, if you have rent expenses, if you have um, any other expenses, in that case, what you can do is you can go to FB01 itself. So slash and FB01. See here, you just enter these details, header details. So by default, it will take. So here it is. I will go with uh, TL expense. So here we have fast data entry. Let's say I will go here and I will enter the posting key as 40. See, as per this, say 40, and this is also I will use 40, and this is, so let's say I'm posting 4 expenses. Okay, 4 expenses. Understand this concept. So one is electricity expenses. So here we have where is see, one is salary expenses 40000, then salary expenses. Another one I will go with rent expenses. So rent expenses. Then another I will make electricity expenses. See, let's say rent would be 10,000, and salary expenses would be 30,000, and electricity expenses is 15,000. Enter. The moment you press enter, observe here, you are getting 10,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Okay, these are all debit. So credit should be there. Now total amount of all this will be credit. Okay, so here you can go to posting key, or else you can enter here. So credit 50, and this is outstanding expense. Enter. Check. Again we'll have to enter this hashtag and plus. See, total it will. We have not entered. Okay. See here, total it has calculated 55. So here I'll give expense. Now if you go here, if you simulate, see, no issues. Okay, no issues. Now I will post this. See, posted. Now if you go to FBL1N, FBL3N, sorry, if you check the outstanding expenses, see here we have 55,000 is one. So red color indicates still it is open. We have not cleared it. Okay, we have not cleared it. So this is how we can do posting using FB0. Now I will try with the FB50T code. So in most of the cases we use FB50. This will be feasible. I will go to FB50. So here I will copy the date. So here let's say expenses. Here we'll have to enter. So what account? So let's say I will go with electricity expenses again. Then to outstanding expenses. So here salary account should be here. No need to remember the posting key. So directly you can select which is debit, which is credit. So let's say I'm posting 1000, and text here I will maintain test expenses. Okay, then amount in the second item you just enter asterisk, and here plus button, enter. See, automatically it will copy. Now it has turned to green. See, total credit should be equal to total debit, always remember. Okay, now you can simulate this. See, this is very simple. In a single screen you can enter all the data. So then I will post this. But one more thing I just wanted to show you. So here, whenever you are using FB50T code, you are not getting which document type you are posting. So to see here, I am not getting any document type field. to get the document type field as we got in this na, in FB01 we got this document type field. So same if you want to get here, we need to go to FB50. One second. Okay, FB50. Here you have edit option. So here you have document type option is hidden. You just make it document type ready for input. That's it. Save it. Once you say go back, see now you will get document type, SA document type. Okay, this is how you can post the document. Okay, now I have posted on document. Again, I will go to FBL3N and check here for outstanding GL. See again 1000. Okay, now as you can see here, see this is very important. Listen carefully. See, as I have posted, if you double click on this, you can see here, if you go to details, if you can see here, see I have posted, see these are all each line item. Okay, I have posted 10,000, I have posted 30,000, I have posted 15,000. So this outstanding expenses total debit is 55. This is whole document value. This is line item value and this is whole document value. Now listen carefully. See here, SAP has given functionality we can restrict with respect to the user. Do you remember I have defined the tolerance group? Do you remember here I have defined the tolerance group? See in the tolerance group we had defined. Okay, if you go to see tolerance group for employee, if you go to OBA4, observe here /O OBA4, this is very important. In the interview they'll ask OBA4. OBA4 and we have defined our company code, right? That is TLIN. You can check here, double click. So here I had defined amount per document is 100. Sorry, this is 1 lakh. See, this is not 100, this is dot. So this is 1 lakh and this is 10,000. Let's say I am going to restrict it only for 1000 per document. Okay, per item also I will make it as 1000. Let's see. See, this is very important. So in the interview they'll ask how you are going to restrict the value of the document. So you'll have to say in the tolerance employee tolerance group we can restrict as per the document. See, I will tell you what is per document. Per document means whole document value. Whole document value is 55,000. This per item value is this one. Okay. Now I will save this. Save this. Okay. So here I will try to post one more document. I will go to FB50. Enter all the details. This is debit. This is credit. Let's say I will go with 20,000. And this is hashtag. See what you are getting. You may only post up to 1000 value. Why? I have restricted here. Okay, I have restricted here. Okay, so here this restriction is coming with respect to this GL account. I will show you. I will open one more screen. I will go to GL account /n FS00. If you go to outstanding expenses, here we have tolerance group. Okay, so here I have created null tolerance group. If you give any name for the tolerance group for the particular GL account, if you are fixing only 200, 300 or any value restriction, you will have to assign the tolerance group here. Okay, I will show you here. Let's say I will make this unlimited. Okay, as of now I will make this unlimited. Okay, I am making this unlimited. Now I will create one more. I will copy this. I will create one more. TL tolerance. TL01. And for this I am going to give only 100. or else you can give only 100. So this we will discuss later. Enter. Understand this concept. So I am saving this. Now what I will do, I will go to this, let's say electricity expenses, change, and I am going to assign. Why I am not getting that? Okay, I'll have to re-enter this. FS 00. Go to expenses. Let's say electrical expenses. Go to this, and here we have tolerance group. See, now we will get 2. Oh, why? We should get this. Data is saved. TLIN TL01. Let's see. TL01. Tolerance not allowed. Why? 1 second. I think I'll have to create in OBA0 slash in OBA0. So here TLIN. So double click on this. I'll remove this and I'll create one more. Save this and I'll create here with the same name. What is that? TL01. Oh, sorry. TLIN. TL01. Now I will save this. So here also I have created. Now we have OB57. OB57 position. I think what is my user? User I have created 144. 292 user 144. 292 user 144. See here we have null group I have assigned. I need to assign that. Click on copy and here TL01. Okay. Okay, cancel this. So already user selected. So I'm going to assign that here. What was that? TL01. Now I will save. Now let's see. Now I'll go back and click on this. So now we are getting, double click on this. Save. Now observe. This I have assigned it for electricity expenses. Observe carefully now. Now I will try to post one document. Enter. See what it is telling. Once again I will come back. AP50. Select the date. Paste it. So what is electricity expenses GL? See electricity expenses GL. Then we'll make it as 0. This is for salary expenses. So here I will make it as okay. Then outstanding expenses. Now what I will do, this is debit, this is also debit, and this is credit. Let's say 5,000, and this is also 5,000, and this is extra. See here what you are getting. Document is posted only. See, this is accepted. This is accepted. Why? So for this electricity expenses, I have assigned this tolerance group, which will restrict to only 100 value. So if you make it 100, so now no issue. Okay. So we are getting this as well because so I will go to this, go to salary expenses. So here no tolerance group. I will select it. So here I will select this null group and I will post it. Save this. Okay. So here what is happening based on this user? What I will do, I will save this. So I should not give there. So user has tolerance group. Now you can test it. Once again I will post FB50. Enter all the details. See, now it is accepting. This is salary expenses. Now what I will do, I will go to electricity expenses. This will be 10,000 and this should be credit. This I'll make it as 5,000. Okay, so now it is accepting because I have removed it. Okay, so this is how you can control your posting the document. Okay, now we'll go to document posting. See, now see, we have posted the document. Now you can see here, if you go to FBL3N, see, we can see the open items. So this is very important T code. So why we are getting again this? Okay, this is wrong. So this is my open item. Na? Click on this and you can see these are my expenses now. So in the real time, we will have to generate this. This is called reporting. You can export it into Excel sheet. So basically in real time server, we can export this into Excel sheet. See, we have export spreadsheet. You can export it into Excel sheet. Next, so once it is done, go back. Now, go back. I just wanted to show you. Yeah, here. See, we have a database tables. So in SAP S4HANA, database tables are used to store the data. So whatever the data we use to store, that will be stored in the database table. In the interview, they will ask what is database table. Database table is the standard tables from the SAP system, and where all the data what we are going to maintain in SAP, that will be stored in the particular database table. Okay, so you can see here we have a AC Docker database table. How to check the database table? We have a T code called AC16N. I'll show you here. If you go to AC16N, if you want to check all the data, so here we'll have to enter AC Docker. If you go to AC Docker, you will have to enter your document type, or else you just enter your company code, TLIN. So you will find you will get all the list of documents which you have posted. See, yeah, these are all the, see, that will be dual entry. That is, one is credit, one is debit, one is credit, one is debit. Let's say if you want to see only the debit side, so here we have posting key field. Okay, you will find the posting key. Posting period. Yeah, posting key. Let's say I want to see only debit side. Enter the debit side, give OK. So you'll get all the debit entries. So here you'll get all the debit entry. See, here you cannot see where is debit entry, right? And we are getting all the data what we have maintained. See here, INR, currency, and what are the document. If you double click on this, if you go to details, you will see the details. Okay, in a single screen you will see that. See, document type is SA, posting key is 50, but I cannot see posting key here. Okay, See, these are all unnecessary fields we are getting. If you want to hide these fields, what you have to do is whichever you want, you can customize it. How? So here we have an option called deselect all. Deselect means it will deselect all here. I just want which type of ledger, company code, fiscal year, document number, GL line item, and I want to see the document type. I want to see the posting related. See posting fiscal year variant, posting date I want to see, and I want to see the posting key as well. Okay, then you execute only those fields which you have selected here, that will be displayed. Okay, so this is very important. In the interview they'll ask more and more questions on this. So we have a universal journal entry item that is called AC doka, which is used to check the details. Okay, and if you want to see what type of documents it is, in that case you will have to activate this document type, then execute. You will get what type, SA document na? See, it will show you all SA document. So this helps us for the reporting purpose. Database tables are very important, so that in a single button you can see all the database tables. So if you want to see only the particular document number 100,000,000, okay, yeah, execute. See, you'll get only one document. So this is my document number. If you double click on the document number, you can see the details. See, clear? So these are all the technical field names. I hope this is understand. Okay, understood? Any doubts in this? Now, so I fast data entry, right? And I just wanted to show you one more thing. If you go to FD01, let's say again and again, so let's say if you want to post the document with reference to the other document, in that case, SAP has given one functionality in FB01, not in FB50. You go to enter the date, and here enter the document type. Here we have post with reference. Select this, enter your document number. Let's say my document number is 10000, and select this, copy all the text, enter. See, it has copied all. Enter again. See, everything has copied. If you want to edit still more, double click on this, and if you want to edit the amount, let's say I will edit to 7,500, then again go to details. See, if you simulate this, see what error you are getting. Posting only possible, zero balance. It is not balanced. Na? Credit and debit is not balanced. Again, we'll have to change the debit side, 7,500. Okay. Now, if you go and simulate this, see, now perfect. Now I will save this. Okay, this is how, see, document is posted. Now, if you go into FBL3N, and you can check that outstanding expenses. See, outstanding expenses, 7,500. Now very important topic. Whatever the configure posting key you got it, then document types you got it, how number range has been fetched, and the GL accounts tolerance group. But we did one more, right? Do you remember we did field status variant? So here the fields can be can make it as required, can make it as optional. So as we did this field status variant, right? So in this, if you go to OBC4, observe here, this is very important, /n OBC4. While creating the GL account, I will show you the /n FS00. If you go to any expenses, let's say I will go with salary expenses. Do you remember in the create banker interest, we have given this field status group. So this field status group is used to manage the status of the fields while posting the document. Okay. See, once again I'll open one more screen. This. If you go to /n FB50, you can see we have so many fields, right? Reference, document header, then here we have text. So here we have text. So these fields are optional, and with respect to the field status group, we can make it optional. We can make it required. How? So check this respective GL account G001. Okay, not only for respect to, even for all the GL accounts. So standard GL accounts, I have maintained G001 as a field status group. Go to field status group. See, here I am. Position your field status variant. What is my field status variant? Uh, Position TLFS. Is this? Yeah. See, TLFS is my field status variant. Select this line item. Double click on field status group. You can see here G001. Double click on this G001 and go to general data. You can see assignment number, text, invoice reference, all are coming from this. So assignment number, document header, text. If you go to FB, even in the FB01, you will find. See, document number, see, everything you are getting here with reference to. Here, what I will do, I will make this text as required. Observe here. If you make this required, now what I will do, I will go to FB01 or FB50. I will go to FB01. Observe. See, I will make this reference as mandatory. So you will double click on this. I will make this reference as mandatory. Even go back. Yeah, this reference as mandatory. And even if you make this, observe here, this is very important. Now I will go to FB01, enter this, enter. Let's say I will enter this. You can see here assignment is mandatory, text is mandatory. Okay, so here you can make these mandatory fields. See, as I did now here, which one? So I made, see, a required field, assignment is mandatory, text is mandatory. Where is invoice reference? I think that field is not available in this. So even if you enter, I'll enter any number, I'll enter anything, I'll go with debit. Just testing it, enter. See, same, enter, enter, enter. Now if you go and simulate, see, so this is how you can control the fields. Now, so this is with respect to the GL account. See, here, see, if you double click on this, with respect to this GL, these fields will control. We can manage these field status. What about one more? I will just make it optional, as of now not required, but based on the business requirement we will have to do this. Save it. Now I just wanted to show you one more. So here also we have, right, if you go to FB01 or FB50, here we have document number, reference. See, these are also, you can make it required and optional. How? Not by the field status group. We have a T code called /n OB14. Not OB14, OB41. If you go to OB41, and here also you can control the line item with respect to, say, let's say I am using 40, so debit side. So here we have debit. Double click on this debit and go to maintain field status. See, same we are getting here. See, required, optional, same. So both should be balanced. Okay. So with respect to the posting keys also, you can customize the field status. With respect to the field status group also, you can maintain the field status. Okay. This is one thing. And one more T code we have noted down, /n OB41. If you go to OB41, so again same, if you go to any posting key, so here also you will get the same. See, here also we will get same. But and as I told you, na, if you want to change the status of these, this is called header data. I told you, no, this is header data. If you want to maintain the field status, this will be with respect to document type. Okay, we have a document type, right? Slash n ob 47, ob 47, not ob 47, ob a7. ob a7. So if you go here, SA document, see, these are all I have covered, SA document. Here you can see reference number and document header text. I will make this document header text mandatory. Okay, then I will save this for essay document. Now we will test it. So if you go to FB01, I will enter the details. Essay document. See, required field header text is required. What it is telling? For document type, entry field is required in field header state. So this is how you can control. Okay, just make it. Okay, so these are all very important. Each and everything you will have to practice. Okay, then only you will come to know. So whatever I have shown you, you just play along with that. Okay, so if you have any questions, do message in the group. Okay, so don't message individually. If you are finding any errors, message in the group so that others can understand what type of errors they will face. Okay, that is very important. So if you have any questions, you can ask. So this is about the document posting. Yeah, and one more thing I just wanted to show you, I forgot. See, whenever you enter the amount here, see if you go to FB50, or else I will show you an FBL 3N. So you can see we are getting a decimal point here. So this is, you can see we are getting, see, 10 dot you are getting. It will be confusing, right? You can change these decimals here. So go to system, go to user profile. Here we have user data. Click on this. Maximum number of GUI reached. I will go here. Close this. So maximum it is restricted to 4. Close this. Okay. Now I'll go to system, user profile, user data. This is one of the basic settings. So if you go to default, here we have decimal notation. So click on this. If you want to go with comma, you can go with this. Okay. So I will go with this comma, this one. And the date also, if you want to check with this format, you can go with this format. If you want to go with date, so this is month date year, month date year. I will go with this. This will be better. Okay. Again, the time format. If you want to go with 12 hours, you can go with. As of now, I will just do it as it is and save. Now observe. Now if you go back to this, I'll just refresh this. Go to refresh. One second. So execute. Why we are not getting? Let's see here. System, user profile, data, default. It has changed. Change. So user is correct. Okay, sorry, I will just check it out. Now, close this again. Yes, I will log in. Log into this. Go to ABL3N. Let's see whether it has changed. What is this? APS 3, interior company code TLIN. Enter. Okay, see, now we are getting comma so that you can easily identify it. Okay, so that's all about for today's session. So if you have any questions, you can ask.